Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. This is Ogongwadi. Happy summer once again. So guys, today it's a very hot day. Oh my god, it's super hot. So I decided to make this salad I ate in a Mediterranean restaurant some time ago. It's called Caprese or Caprese if I'm saying it right. So I'm going to show you how to make it because I had to ask them for the ingredients. So I decided to make it and it was awesome. So today I decided to make a video and show you guys how to make it. It's very healthy. It's very sweet, believe me. So this is what you're going to be needing. So these are the ingredients. The restaurant guy told me you need basil, avocado, cherry tomato, mozzarella cheese, olive oil, black pepper. So but I decided to throw in strawberry and lettuce. Also you'll be needing black pepper, which I already put like a teaspoon here, and of course you need your honey, real honey. I melted this to make it kind of liquidy. I already sliced and cut off what I'm gonna be needing, and just a dash of sea salt on the dressing because mozzarella has salt in it. So let's go ahead and make this. Make sure your hands are very clean, guys. First of all, I throw in the tomato. You can see I diced the one that seems to be big. Then I add in the strawberry, which is, my thing. And this is the avocado. It's very easy to cut avocado. You be careful because you don't want to smash it all down. And here I'm gonna add in the mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese is so nice. And this is the basil. I already cut it, slice it to the size I want. And I'm gonna be adding the lettuce, which is, like I said, don't come for me guys if you know about this. I just wanted to add in lettuce. And then, so this is it for the salad. Now let's go and make the dressing. Alright, so this is the honey. You're gonna need 2 to 3 tablespoons. And then for the olive oil, make sure you're using a tablespoon. I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons. And of course the black pepper. Just a little salt. The restaurant used white balsamic vinegar. I asked them why. They said because the other color, the darker one, is going to change the color of the mozzarella cheese, but nothing more. But anyway, I don't have that. What I have is white balsamic with shallot. Meanwhile, I love shallot so much. Shallot is the, like the tiny onions thingy. I love the taste, so that's what I'm adding. So this you're gonna be needing. Oh, I'm sorry, this is, I kind of poured more, but anyway, I needed 3 tablespoons of it, but that's fine. So just give it a quick mix. If you don't have white balsamic vinegar, please go ahead and use the regular balsamic vinegar, which is like a darker color. Doesn't really matter. This is a very nice salad when you have guests, or like I said, the weather is super hot. Today is 93 degrees over here. So this is a beautiful time for this. And when everything is well incorporated, we're just going to go ahead and pour it in our salad. So I'm just going to go ahead. If you're not going to eat everything right away, you don't pour the dressing yet. But this, my kids and I, we're going to devour this right now. And when you put that, you just go ahead, give it a quick toss together gently because you don't want to smash the avocado. Don't want it mushy. Just go ahead, give it a toss, and you're done. So I'm just going to go ahead and dish out a little bit for myself. Look at that. You see the avocado? If you turn it gently, it will not, be mushy. Let me put it. I love strawberry, guys. I love it so much. So let's give it a taste. Let me start with the avocado. Guys, you need to try this, believe me. Awesome. Anyway, it's been nice having you in my kitchen. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share the video, leave me a comment. Thank you so much for joining me. It's bye from Ogongwadi. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.